Brian back here with an STX update. We had a little bit of a breakout today in STX. All right, we're going to dig in this chart a little bit deeper and see where this thing could be heading, and we're going to get right into that here in a second. I want to show you the market real quick. This is the crypto bubbles for the week. You can see we got some pretty decent double gainers there. You know, after them big losses last week, we got some coins bouncing back very nicely. All right, STX for the day is up 6.69% as I make this video right now. All right, we're going to get right back to that. I want to show you a couple other things very quickly. Okay, number one is Bitcoin dominance. All right, that thing looks like it could possibly be about tapped out here. All right, due for a correction here. It looks like it might have a little bit more left up, but if we take a you can see we zoom in here a little bit on the 4-hour. All right, and then we take a trend-based Fibonacci and stick on this thing and see if it's tapped out or not. This would be our one wave right here, and a retrace. You know, could have a little bit more up to go to it. All right, this clearly to me, you know, correct me if I'm wrong, but it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be our fifth wave, you know, so could have a little bit more upwards to go here. We'll have to wait and find out. And if I could ask you guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so very, very much. Have a great group in here. We would love to have you along with us. So if it's something that interests you, please join. We'd love to have you. All right, number one, everybody on YouTube's drawing this wedge right here. Okay, this wedge, I've seen it everywhere. All right, nothing wrong with that at all. But okay, you can see also inside this wedge, we had another wedge in here forming. All right, you take these lines, line everything up. Okay, there you go, and you can see that that one has broken out. So we have a smaller wedge inside of a bigger wedge, but Bitcoin got the break out of this one here. You can see the daily stochastic RSI still heading up. It's at a 93 and an 84. All right, so that could have some room up to go here. The DXY, the dollar, we'll take a very quick look at that thing. I chart that every single day. I keep an eye on it because, you know, falling DXY means usually rising geez, if I could talk here, crypto prices. All right, so let's zoom out on this. Ever since we came in and hit that 786, this thing got rejected pretty hard off there. You can see right when it came up, it hit the 786 here and has rolled over. One thing that kind of got me a little concerned, all right, the stochastic, the daily RSI's reset on it. Now we do have a little bit of bearish divergence coming in here. If you look down at the very bottom down here, okay, if you see this low here, it's higher low on the, let's call it the price action, okay, for the dollar right here. On the RSI, we have this low and we have a lower low on the RSI, so could be considered bearish divergence in there for the DXY. We'll have to wait and see if that plays out or not. All right, so all right, let's get down here and get in here to what's block stacks and get a look at this coin. I apologize, I got too many coins I'm charting every day in here. Here we go. In fact, I am in a position on this coin here, so I've been all over this one today. Right, so number one, on the bigger time frame, right here we have a trend line coming right down through here, all right, that we're coming right up against now. All right, now if we go in on the 4-hour, all right, you can see that this smaller trend line inside here we ended up breaking out of. Okay, that's what caused our breakout today, how we went up there. All right, now if we even come in here a little bit closer on the 15-minute, all right, this thing is it's doing an ABC in here, okay, is what's going on. So if we take a measurement here with a fib, all right, you can see right over here. So we want to go right from there, okay. We ended up coming up and hitting that 702 Fibonacci right there. All right, what I'm expecting this thing to do, usually the ABC, the A and the C leg are of equal length. Looking for that thing to pull down right about there. All right, so that would be the measured move of this thing if it works out. We'll have to wait and find out. Let's see if it matches up with any support levels or resistance levels. Actually, we have a trend line coming through right through here. Okay, so we have a trend line coming through right here, coming up, and that would measure up perfectly with it. That would bring us right back down to the trend line, and we would hit the trend line as long as this plays out, okay, which it looks like it's going to. All right, I've been watching this thing, like I said, all day long, and the ABC would end up looking, you have your A, your B, and then your C coming right down to this trend line. Okay, then I would expect this thing to start marching back up from there. So, alright guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so very much, and I'll talk to you very soon once we get some more price action out of here. Keep an eye up here on this level, this bigger level up here, right up here. And this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't think that. You know, be smart and do your own research with your own money. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great night.